The man looked over the edge of the cliff. How in the world are we going to get down there? One asked.
Yeah, so which one?
To entertain.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Fire the potatoes for about 20 minutes. When the potatoes are soft, strain and
Raise. Okay. Yeah, use water. Use water to wash it. What's that?
Clean up.
Clean up. Clean up.
The children helped up with the cleanup after the meal.
Okay.
Rinse.
Okay. To wash something by clear water. Okay.
Rinse.
Okay.
R-I-N-S-E, rinse.
Okay. Like this, rinse. Use water to wash it. Rinse. Okay. Okay. And when the potato are soft, drain and
rinse. When done with cold water, then return them to the pot and mix in 3 tablespoons
Good.
of butter.
Okay, so which one? What's that?
To inform.
Okay. Very good.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay.
It is it a fossil?
Good, a fossil. Yeah, fossil. Yeah, fossil. Is it a fossil? No, feature. Okay, feature. What's up?
Asked his dad studied the rock and smiled. Yes, he said, I do believe it is.
Okay, which one?
This one.
What's that?
To
entertain.
To entertain.
Say it.
Entertain.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah. Just to tell your story. Okay.
Have you ever wanted to have blue hair for a day, or hair without the weight? Now
Mouse.
your chance to try how wig.
Okay, this week. Okay, so it's not real hair. It's like that. You can wear it on your head. Okay, wig. What's that?
Rise.
Rinse. rinse,
wash, rinse, that shut immediately. All the point paint was set.
Okay.
wig,
Wait,
wig,
wait,
wig,
wait,
wig,
wait.
Okay, wig. That people made this kind of wig, so they can wear it. Okay, wig, like that. Wig. Can spell.
W-I-G wig.
Yeah. Now it's your chance.
Try a wig.
Wig.
Form.
Wiggles.
Wigs.
Wigs. It's the name of the company. Okay, try a wig. Okay, so which one?
To
Persuade. Say it.
to persuade. To persuade. Persuade. To persuade. This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit. To start your garden, dig a small hole with your hands. Put one seed in the hole and then cover it with that. Repeat for the rest of your seeds and then water the area around them.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay, what's that?
To inform.
Okay, to tell someone how to do it. Okay. Amaze. Sometimes you know amazing. Amaze is a verb. Okay, amaze. No, amaze. What's that?
Wig.
wig, wig, wig,
Amaze is a verb.
Amaze.
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 Amaze. Amaze.
Amaze.
Amaze.
Amaze.
Amaze.
Okay.
To fill with
Wonder.
wonder.
Okay.
He amazed the
Audiences.
audience with the power of his voice.
Okay.
Amaze.
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 Astound. Okay.
Amaze.
Amaze.
Can spell.
A-M-A-Z-E. Amaze. Verb. Amaze
Okay.
your ability to remember names and
Faces. Amazes.
me.
Okay. Surprise. To make. Okay.
To make a strong
Impression.
in someone with something
Unexpected.
unexpected.
Okay. Amaze.
Amaze your fans and at any party over or even when over party or never
Event.
event with a show from magazine.
Magician.
Ma-
Marvelous. I think it's just a name.
The following Magnus,
Magnus.
Magnus, Magnus,
It's a Sweden, from Sweden. Swedish. Magnus. Okay. Okay, amaze your friends at any party or event with a show from magician Magnus.
A 1-hour show with up for 10 up to 10
Guests.
Is only $50.
Okay, so that you can hire someone from magician Magnus for the show. Okay, for 1 hour only costs you $50. Okay, which one? It's hard.
To persuade.
Good. Say that again.
To persuade
Good.
someone
Yeah. Very good. Okay.
by weeds
Good.
taking off a garden higher
Green.
town.
Green thumb. Okay, green thumb means a person are really good at this work in the garden. The green thumb gardeners.
Gardeners to prepare
Good.
your garden for spring.
Okay, which one? What's
This
hard?
one to
Persuade. You just did it. You just
persuade. Persuade.
Yeah. Okay.
The stars taught
So
to not bright are far away and good very good getting on the day by day until at least last they
finally.
finally fade.
Fight. Okay, gradually disappear. Okay. So which one?
To entertain.
Okay, I tried.
Seven.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Good, you did all of them. Missed. Finish it. Okay, which one we're doing? We find the purpose of it, right? I think, yeah. I think we should stay. Oh, right here. Okay, I think we did that one. Okay. Okay, maybe I read it. Or you read. Ice, which is just a solid water, floats on top of liquid water. Oh, maybe we'll do it next time.